Hello, here are some of the funniest TikTok videos that I wheeze at. Because most of the time, the videos sometimes I see are actually just cringe and not funny at all. Hit that subscribe button before we start.
Вот у нас два мальчика катаются, не один, да, киселётик?
Hey, show me how you're gonna smile for your picture. Say cheese. Yeah.
Qué día tan aburrido.
This is my favorite part right here. Make a move to a town that's right for me. Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me.
أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. طبعا اليوم رايحين نجرب الشكشوكة الإيطالية بمطعم تشاي وشباتي في التحلية.